In the vast world of digital marketing and search engine optimization, SEO, technical SEO plays a crucial role in improving a website's visibility and ranking on search engine result pages, SERPs. While content and backlinks are significant factors, technical SEO focuses on the back-end aspects of a website to ensure it is search engine friendly and can be effectively crawled, indexed, and understood by search engines. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the fundamental concepts of technical SEO, its importance, and the key elements that webmasters and digital marketers need to consider to optimize their websites for search engines effectively. By the end of this article, you will have a solid understanding of what technical SEO is and how to implement best practices to enhance your website's performance and organic traffic. Understanding technical SEO. Technical SEO refers to the process of optimizing a website's technical aspects to improve its search engine visibility. It involves identifying and fixing issues that may prevent search engines from efficiently crawling, indexing, and understanding a site's content. Unlike other aspects of SEO, which focus on content creation and off-page optimization, technical SEO primarily deals with the back-end aspects of a website's architecture and code. Importance of technical SEO. Technical SEO is a critical component of overall SEO strategy because it lays the foundation for other optimization efforts. A well-optimized website is more likely to perform better in search results, resulting in higher organic traffic, improved user experience, and better conversion rates. Ignoring technical SEO can lead to a negative impact on a website's performance and may even result in it being overlooked by search engines entirely. Key elements of technical SEO. Website speed and performance. Website speed is a crucial factor in both user experience and search engine rankings. Optimizing page load times, reducing server response times, and compressing images are essential steps to enhance website performance. Mobile-friendly design. With the increasing use of mobile devices for web browsing, having a mobile-friendly website is paramount. Mobile-first indexing by search engines means that a site's mobile version is the primary basis for ranking and indexing. Crawling and indexing. Ensuring search engines can crawl and index all the important pages of your website is vital for its visibility. Properly configuring the robots.txt file, creating and submitting XML sitemaps, and using canonical tags are essential for efficient crawling and indexing. Website structure and URL optimization. Creating a clear and logical website structure with user-friendly URLs can improve both user experience and search engine visibility. Avoiding complex URLs with dynamic parameters and using relevant keywords can help search engines better understand the content of your pages. SSL certificates and HTTPS security is crucial for both users and search engines. Implementing SSL certificates and using HTTPS encryption helps to establish trust with users and can positively impact search rankings. Duplicate content. Duplicate content issues can harm a website's search rankings. Implementing canonical tags, setting preferred domain versions, www versus non-www, and using 301 redirects can address duplicate content problems effectively. Rich snippets and structured data. Utilizing structured data markup, such as schema.org, allows search engines to understand the context and meaning of the content on your website, potentially leading to rich snippets in search results. XML sitemap. An XML sitemap is a list of all the URLs on your website that you want to be indexed by search engines. Submitting an XML sitemap to search engines helps them discover and crawl your pages more efficiently. Website accessibility. Ensuring your website is accessible to all users, including those with disabilities, is not only a legal requirement in some regions but also a good practice for SEO and user experience. Fixing broken links and 404 errors. Regularly monitoring and fixing broken links and 404 errors is crucial for providing a smooth user experience and maintaining search engine rankings. Pagination and pagination tags. For websites with paginated content, implementing proper pagination tags, rel is equal to next and rel is equal to prev, helps search engines understand the relationship between pages and avoid duplicate content issues. Site performance on different devices and browsers. Testing and optimizing your website's performance on various devices and browsers are essential to ensure a consistent user experience across different platforms. Website security and malware protection. Regularly scanning your website for security vulnerabilities and malware ensures a safe browsing experience for your visitors and helps maintain search engine trust. Managing redirects. Properly managing redirects when changing URLs or restructuring your website prevents loss of traffic and helps search engines understand the new URL structure. Implementing reflang tags. For multilingual or international websites, using reflang tags helps search engines serve the appropriate language or regional versions of your content to users. Conclusion. Technical SEO is a crucial aspect of any successful digital marketing strategy. By focusing on optimizing the technical elements of your website, you can enhance its performance, improve search engine rankings, and deliver a seamless user experience to your visitors. As search engines continue to evolve and prioritize user experience, investing time and effort in technical SEO has become more critical than ever. Stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in technical SEO to keep your website competitive and visible in the ever-changing online landscape.